Hey, this is Larry. I'm going to be doing my Progressive Trading Group review today. I've been with them for quite some time now, so I have enough experience to give you guys my honest opinion on certain things dealing with this company. So with that being said, the first thing we're going to look at are the margins that they offer. And honestly, this has been one of the strong points for the company in my opinion. These are the margins for some of the most popular instruments. As you can see here, corn is only 283, 30-year bonds 454, oil 826. And as you go down this little list here, you'll notice that these are much cheaper than what most of the other brokers are offering. Okay, and this was actually one of the main reasons why I decided to go with this company when I was doing my research. And we can take a look at their website as well. Let's open this up some. As you can see here, for currencies, we already looked at Aussie dollar, that was 408. The pound dollar right here is only 247. Canadian dollars 251. I believe the yen is 500. Let me see here. Here it is. Japanese yen 487. We can check the mini Dow as well. Alright, here it is right here. Only 375. And obviously the mini Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. Usually these are always right around 500. But they're significantly cheaper, all except the S&P E-mini, which is 525. But overall, like I said, you're going to find that the margins with this company are significantly cheaper, because I did do the research on this and I've compared it to several other futures brokers out there. So definitely something to keep in mind if that's important to you. Okay, next thing we're going to look at discussing with this company is their customer support, and I've been extremely satisfied with it. I usually get emails back, and I'm not kidding, usually within 5 minutes, oftentimes less than that. The most I've ever had to wait, I believe, was about 8 or 9 minutes. And this email address that you see here, this isn't the one on their website. This is directly to Peter, who is the primary of Progressive Trading Group. So this is definitely something you want to keep, because he's very knowledgeable, and he'll be able to answer any questions you might have, and he'll get back to you quickly. You can also call into their 800 number, which is available from 6:30 to 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And also the way that I actually prefer is the online chat support, which is right here. So once you go to their website, you just click this little link right here for chat support, and that will open up a pop-up, and you'll be able to get any of your questions that you might have answered there as well. Let me see what there was one other thing I want to talk about with that. Yes, here it is, the 24-hour order desk. Once you actually get signed up with a live account, you will have access to the 24-hour order desk. So obviously that's going to come in handy, something good to have. Alright, next we're going to talk about withdrawals. Excuse me. I've only actually done one withdrawal, and I did it by check, but they do have the option to do wire transfers for a $30 fee. And when I did mine, I believe I submitted my withdrawal for it was about 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on Eastern Standard Time, so mine was processed the same day. And I called and checked, and anything that's processed before, or anything that's submitted before 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, which is the same as 2 p.m. Eastern Time, anything that's submitted before that is going to be processed the same day. And obviously that is a big deal, because people want their money, quickly. They don't want to wait, 4 or 5 days just to have the company or the broker process their request. So another big plus of that company is the withdrawal speed that they have. Now, when you guys get set to open an account, if you choose to, there is a minimum account of $2,500. And when you go through the process, I highly recommend that you use Dorman as your clearing firm, as you'll get the margins that I showed earlier, and also you'll get Rhythmic as your data feed, which is arguably the best data provider out there. For me personally, it took 2 days to open my account. The first day it took me, the first day I had to submit the application and get that approved, and the second day I was able to fund my account through wire transfer. So didn't take much time at all to get that set up properly. My final opinion on this broker, as you guys can tell, I've been extremely satisfied with it, but based on what I've said here and my personal experiences with Progressive Trading Group, I have to give them 2 thumbs up. I mean, honestly, Progressive Trading Group has been absolutely wonderful to me. On top of that, I get good fills and my stops and take profit orders are honored. For example, if I get entered into a trade and the market decides to reverse quickly and shoot through my stop, well, if I had an 8 tick stop, then I'll only be down 8 ticks. With other brokers, I would usually get 5 or more ticks in slippage on the exit, and that's in fast moving markets, of course, but I haven't had that problem with Progressive at all. Anyway, that's basically everything I wanted to touch on. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Progressive Trading Group. Sorry about that, my fax machine just went off, but you can get a free demo account by clicking on the link below. And also, you guys can visit EmpireAmbition.com to see more of my reviews and also to view some of my daily trade videos. That's pretty much it. Take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.